Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2018 Toyota Corolla XLE. This vehicle comes with a lot of nice safety features. It does have a touchscreen display, a reverse camera, and it's in very low kilometers. So let's get into the interior. So getting into the interior of the Toyota Corolla, you do have your menu just right in the middle where it shows how long you can go with the gas. You do have the analog display with the nice blue lighting. You also do have the volume up down to your left. You also have different modes of this vehicle. You also do have your hands-free calling to your right. You can change up the display. You also do have, this being the XLE, you do have some assists. You do have the lane departure warning, and you have front collision assist. You also do have the cruise control just right over here, which is very convenient. You also do have auto rain sensing wipers and then auto headlights. This does have a touchscreen display where you can use Bluetooth, CD, AM, FM, USB, anything you need, you name it, it'll be there. You also do have the heated seats. It's right over here. This vehicle does come with a nice cloth seating, which is very comfortable, and it also does have a backup camera. So getting into the rear of the Toyota Corolla, it does have a lot of space as you can see, and it does continue with the cloth material. So if you did want to come see this Toyota Corolla, you can definitely come see it at 950 Regent Avenue West, or you can contact us at 204-667-9200. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.